Welcome everyone. This is Computer Science 102X, Introduction to Computing with Java. I am the instructor for the course. My name is T.C. Pong, and I'm a professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at HKUST. This is one of 3 courses on Introduction to Computer Programming offered by HKUST. This course will use Java as the programming language, while the other 2 courses will use Python or Visual Basic. This course is aimed at students with no or very little programming experience, so prior programming experience is not a prerequisite for this course. The focus of this course is not just to teach you how to program a computer, but also how to use computer to solve problems. In this offering, the course is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 of the course, that is the one that you are taking now, covers some programming fundamentals, including primitive data types, variables, operators and expressions, basic concepts of object-oriented programming, control flow structures including branching and loops, and a simple type of data structure called array. The second part of the course will cover more advanced topics, including character string manipulation, file I/O, event-driven programming, recursion, and abstract data types. We all know that the main use of a computer is to help us in solving problems. We use computer to solve problems because it is usually more efficient and reliable in dealing with certain tasks. However, this is not always true, at least not yet. For example, if one tried to use a computer to understand the scenery around us, in the current state of the art, computers' performance would still be far from being able to match that of human. Let's first take a look at the learning objectives for this course. At the end of this course, if you as a student and me as an instructor have done our jobs right, we should be able to take a real-life problem and extract the relevant information necessary to solve the problem, and to think logically to formulate solutions to well-defined problems using a programming language. Before we move on to other learning objectives, let's first take a more careful look at what we mean by well-defined problems. In general, a well-defined problem means that there is a solution exists for the problem, and the solution can be found in a finite number of steps. For example, if you were asked to find a solution to the arithmetic expression 1 times 2 plus 3, you would know that we should first multiply 1 by 2, which gives the intermediate result of 2, and then the result of the multiplication will be added to 3 and give 5 as the final answer. But if I ask you for the solution of 1 plus 2 times 3, I want you to pause the video briefly to think about what would be the answer.